your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair.
I packed my bags and said goodbye. I shut that door and walked aside. I thought I would be fine, but babe, I ain't.